How does decryption work with encryption? Imagine sending a secret message that only the person you trust can read. That's what encryption and decryption are all about. When you send data over the internet, it's often encrypted to keep it safe from prying eyes. But how does the receiver turn that scrambled data back into something understandable? That's where decryption comes in. It's the process that reverses encryption, turning what looks like a jumble of characters into clear, readable information. Here's how it works step by step. First, the data is encrypted using an encryption algorithm and a key. Think of the key as a special password that locks the message. Once encrypted, the message becomes ciphertext, which looks like random symbols or letters. When the recipient gets this ciphertext, they need to decrypt it to see the original message. Decryption involves applying a specific algorithm designed to undo the encryption. This algorithm uses a decryption key, which is either the same as the encryption key or mathematically related, depending on the type of encryption. The key is like a master password that unlocks the message. When the decryption algorithm processes the ciphertext with the key, it produces the original plaintext, which is the readable data you started with. There are two main types of encryption systems. One is called symmetric key cryptography. In this system, the same key is used for both encrypting and decrypting. Both the sender and receiver need to keep this key secret and share it securely. This method is fast and good for large data but requires careful handling of the key. The other type is called asymmetric key cryptography. It uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. The public key can be shared openly, and it is used to encrypt data. The private key stays secret and is used to decrypt. This setup allows secure communication without sharing a secret key beforehand but takes more computing power. In the world of internet security, decryption is vital. When you visit a website using HTTPS, your browser receives encrypted data from the server. Decryption makes this data readable so your browser can display the web page. It also keeps your personal information, like passwords and credit card details, safe from hackers. Decryption also helps protect sensitive data stored in data centers or transmitted over undersea cables and fiber optics. It ensures that only authorized people can access the information, maintaining privacy and security. This process is a core part of cybersecurity and network management, helping prevent unauthorized access and cyberattacks. In simple terms, decryption is the process that unlocks encrypted data. It uses a specific algorithm and a key to turn scrambled information back into something understandable. Without decryption, encrypted data would stay locked away, making secure communication impossible. It's the key to keeping our digital world safe and private.